Healthy soil is the cornerstone of a productive garden and nutritious food. It's a living ecosystem teeming with beneficial organisms. These organisms work tirelessly to break down organic matter, releasing essential nutrients for plant growth. Unfortunately, conventional farming practices often deplete the soil of these vital nutrients. Synthetic fertilizers, while offering a quick fix, can disrupt the natural balance of the soil ecosystem. This leads to long-term problems like soil compaction, erosion, and reduced biodiversity. There's a growing need for natural alternatives to revitalize our soils. These alternatives should nourish plants without causing harm. Worm castings, also known as vermicast, are a prime example of such a solution. Worm castings are a natural fertilizer produced from the digested waste of earthworms. They are rich in nutrients, beneficial microbes, and humic substances that enhance soil structure and fertility. Among the various worm casting products available, Wormgold stands out. It embodies the principles of sustainable and regenerative agriculture. This essay will delve into the science behind Wormgold and its exceptional benefits. Let's explore how Wormgold can revolutionize the way we grow our food. Wormgold is not your average worm casting product. It's the result of years of research and dedication by George Hahn and his team. They recognize the unparalleled potential of worm castings in restoring soil health. Their journey began with a simple question: how can we create the most potent and beneficial worm castings possible? This question led to the development of Wormgold. Wormgold was formed on September 9, 1994, in California. It started in George Hahn's backyard and grew to the 100-acre facility it is in today with 15 miles of 8-foot-wide worm beds. Wormgold is produced using a carefully selected blend of organic materials. These materials mimic the natural diet of earthworms in the wild. The process goes beyond basic vermicomposting. It involves a proprietary system that optimizes the environment for beneficial microorganisms. This meticulous approach ensures that Wormgold is packed with a diverse array of nutrients and microbes. These elements work synergistically to improve soil structure, enhance nutrient availability, and boost plant growth. But Wormgold's benefits extend far beyond basic fertilization. It contains unique properties that set it apart from other products on the market. These properties make it a powerful tool for pest and disease control, as we'll explore in the following sections. To understand Wormgold's effectiveness, we need to delve into the science behind worm castings. Worm castings are not merely digested food waste. They are the result of a complex biological process. This process involves an intricate network of microorganisms within the worm's gut. These microorganisms break down organic matter into simpler compounds, making nutrients readily available to plants. Wormgold's castings are particularly rich in chitinase and cellulase. These enzymes are crucial for breaking down chitin and cellulose, which are complex carbohydrates found in insect exoskeletons and plant cell walls. By increasing the levels of these enzymes in the soil, Wormgold helps to strengthen plant cell walls, making it harder for pests and diseases to penetrate the plant tissue. Enhance the decomposition of organic matter, releasing nutrients locked within plant residues, making them available for plant uptake, and promote the growth of beneficial microorganisms, which outcompete harmful pathogens, further protecting plants from diseases. These unique properties make Wormgold a multifaceted soil amendment. It goes beyond basic fertilization to provide long-term benefits for plant health and resilience. How Wormgold protects plants. Dr. Tom Dijkstra, a leading researcher in plant health, has demonstrated a strong correlation between the Brix level in plants and their resistance to pests and diseases. Brix, measured using a refractometer, indicates the sugar content in plant sap, which directly reflects the plant's overall health and vigor. When the sugar levels in the plant leaf sap, Brix, drops below certain levels, recycling signals call the pests. The smaller the insect, the higher the Brix level needed to turn off the recycling signal. Aphids Brix level over 7, whiteflies Brix over 9, bark beetles, crickets, grasshoppers, and boring weevils Brix over 12. His research has also proven, if there is no signal, there is no pest. The abundance of readily available nutrients combined with the presence of beneficial microbes and humic substances creates an optimal environment for plant growth. This results in healthier plants with higher Brix levels, naturally more resistant to pests and diseases. By promoting a holistic approach to plant health, Wormgold minimizes the need for synthetic pesticides and fungicides, which can have detrimental effects on the environment and human health. beyond comparison Wormgold's unique advantage. While numerous worm casting products exist in the market, Wormgold distinguishes itself through its unique production process and superior quality. Many commercial worm casting products are often byproducts of industrial vermicomposting operations, primarily focused on waste management rather than optimizing castings for plant growth. In contrast, Wormgold is solely dedicated to producing the highest quality castings. The careful selection of feedstock combined with the proprietary composting system ensures that Wormgold contains a richer and more diverse array of nutrients, beneficial microbes, and humic substances. This dedication to quality translates to healthier plants, higher yields, and a more sustainable approach to agriculture.